Hello students, today we are doing a grammar topic for grade 1, that is verbs to have verbs. So let's understand it. Before we begin to understand what are to have verbs, let's revise verbs. You already know that verbs are action words. So let's see some action words. Look at the picture and identify the verbs. We have eat, skip, sleep, write, speak, dance, walk, play. All these are action words, that is verbs. Some verbs do not show any actions, and they are to be, to do, to have. In to be, we have am, is, are, was, were. In to do verbs, we have do, does, and did. And in to have verbs, we have has, have, and had. In this video, we are going to learn more about to have verbs. To have verbs tell us what someone or something has. To have verbs are has, have, and had. Now let's understand when to use has. The verb has is used when you say he, she, it, and with singular nouns. Have verb is used when you say I, you, we, they, and with plural nouns. Had verb is used with singular nouns, plural nouns, and pronouns in the past tense. Let's revise when to use has. When you say he, she, it, and singular nouns, you have to use has. Now let's understand this verb has with the help of some sentences. For example, here we have Mr. Ron has a red car. The verb has tells us that Mr. Ron possesses the car. So he has the red car. Instead of Mr. Ron, we can also use the pronoun he. And we say, he has a red car. Here we have another sentence. This sentence says, Sonia has a cute cat. So it tells us what belongs to Sonia. So Sonia has a cat. So the cat belongs to Sonia. So we say, Sonia has a cute cat. Instead of Sonia, we can use the pronoun she. And we say, she has a cute cat. Here is another sentence. The name of this dog is Fido. And so we have the sentence, Fido has a big kennel. What do you mean by a kennel? A dog house is called a kennel. So this kennel belongs to the dog Fido. So therefore, we have to say, Fido has a big kennel. In place of the noun Fido, we can use the pronoun it. So we say, it has a big kennel. Now let us understand when to use the verb have. When you say, I, you, we, they, and with plural nouns, you have to use the verb have. Let's understand it with the help of some sentences. For example, I have a puppy. So this puppy belongs to me. So I say, I have a puppy. This is another sentence. I say, I have a bean bag. So this bean bag belongs to me. Therefore, I use the verb have and I say, I have a bean bag. Let's look at the sentence. Here we have two people in the sentence, Ron and Sonia. So, Ron and Sonia have a garden. That means this garden belongs to Ron and Sonia. So we say Ron and Sonia have a garden. Instead of Ron and Sonia, we can use the pronoun they and we say they have a garden. Here is another sentence. This sentence says John and I have a good teacher. Here again there are two people as subject in the sentence. So therefore the verb is used is have. Instead of John and I can use the pronoun we. And I say we have a good teacher. Let's look at this example. This says you have a beautiful house. With the pronoun you, we use the verb have and we say you have a beautiful house. With the verb you, we use the verb have. So here is another sentence. So the sentence is you have a nice bicycle. Now let us understand how to use the verb had. Had is used when something already belonged to someone, that is in the past tense. Therefore, with singular and plural nouns or pronouns, we use had. Now let us see some examples with the verb had. Here is a sentence for you. It says, I had a white bicycle. It means that I already had this bicycle. I no more have it now. So when something already belonged to me, I say I had a white bicycle. Here is another sentence. The sentence says Ria had a cute puppy. That means this puppy no more belongs to Ria now. She already had it. So we use the verb had in the past tense. Instead of Ria, we can also use the pronoun she. And we say she had a cute puppy. This sentence says Ron had a big house. So it is in the past tense. That means Ron had this house. Now he may not have this house anymore. Instead of the noun Ron, we can use the pronoun he. And we say he had a big house. Here is another sentence. It says they had a beautiful garden. Let's read this sentence. It says we had many storybooks. It means that earlier we had a lot of storybooks. Now we may not have these books with us. So anything that is said in the past tense, we use the verb had. Even with the pronoun you, we say had. And the sentence reads as you had a red ball. Here is an exercise for you to solve. Fill in the blanks with has or have. The first sentence is I dash a football. The second one is she dash eaten the pizza. Third sentence, you dash a nice ball. The fourth one is he dash a big house. Fifth says it dash hurt his leg. The sixth sentence is we dash played very well. Follow the rules and use both these verbs has or have in these sentences. And to check your answers, you can visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. This video was made just for you. For free lessons, worksheets and more learning videos, kindly visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.